Very good morning, friends. Vanakkam. Just 2 minutes. I will post our live link in Telegram and other areas and then come back. Yeah, I have posted. Now let me open our commodity tabs so we can get an idea how they are going to perform. And if we get a chance, we will pitch in. Zinc morning, it looks good, but let it complete the first 30 minutes bar and then we will take a call. Natural gas is little bit tepid. It is not knowing the direction where it is not want to go. Crude is also taking a break, I think. But anyways, it's a too early time. Right. This is the situation right now. Nothing is showing, only black screen. Just a minute. I think I thought I have shared the screen. Actually, there is some settings. I don't know why. When I click on the positions column, only it is showing the screen. Probably now it will be showing. Right? Yeah, now it is showing. Let's see where pre-open settles. Yes, exactly in line with SGX. Nothing wrong at all. But still Bank Nifty settles in green. Probably banks could outperform again today because of quarterly updates. I would not say banks, entire financials, I guess. HDFC, Federal Bank, IDFC Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, all have posted a decent update about their quarterly performance. So probably financials could be on the higher side once again. Even in the fall in broader markets could also be because of Reliance, I guess. Reliance. Let's see where it has opened. Yeah, another 1.25% down. Generally, news-based fall will take 2 or 3 days to settle. Maximum it will last for 3 days, not beyond that. Yeah. We are at 9:13 yet to 2 minutes for markets opening. LPG price cut. There were a couple of newses. Ashok Leyland has given a good auto sales figures. Barring that, Eicher Motors has done good. Yes, markets has opened. Let's not be in any rush. Let things settle a bit. The major thing which we need to look upon today is where Reliance is stopping. If he stops and then bounces, definitely markets will go on the higher side. Nothing to worry at all. Let's see. As I said earlier, Bank Nifty is showing some outperformance. Nifty is flat, but Bank Nifty is up 0.5%. Let us see where we are now. Let me open some charts which will be useful for us to learn. Just give me a minute. And yeah, actually, I thought I have got some calls open for my members. It's not like that. We have closed it on Friday itself. But let me see where we are going. Hindalco is opened on the downside. Jindal Steel, Tata Steel. Tata Steel could give us a buying opportunity today. HDFC Bank, Kotak is doing good. HDFC is doing good. ICICI Bank we missed it on Friday. Haven't missed, but we were not in an intention to take on that day. Now there is a pull off. Nifty back to red again. But the thing is, Reliance climbing on the higher side. That's good news for markets. Yeah, we are drifting down slowly. Now we need to wait and see where he takes a halt and then we can take a position. Let this is my charts. Let me put on the levels for my premium members first. By Nifty 15800 call around. Yeah, given a Nifty 15800 call. We are going on the downside. Let it come, nothing to worry. He will come to our levels. Don't worry at all. I have given the levels. Let me put the call here as well. We'll give the stop loss later if once the order has been executed. Tata Steel 2%. Metals are taking a hit. Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, Hindalco, everything is taking a hit. TCS results is during this weekend. I think it's on 8th, I guess. 8th means normally it will be on a Thursday. This time it's on a Friday. Oops. Nifty started creeping again on the higher side. What happened? Yes, that's because of Reliance. Reliance once again comes towards higher end of the range. Good move. Good move. Reliance leads. Kotak rocks today, actually speaking. Let's see, where's Bank Nifty? Exactly hovering at the VWAP zone. That is the problem. Either it must be up or it must be down. It's exactly hovering. Whatever the situation may be, we need to wait with patience for our levels. In between, if you have any queries, please do ask. We will see the charts and verify it. Let me let me open my option chain analysis, which will give us overview where market can move as the day progress. It's half an hour, so there are chances. Now it's already 9:28. We are nearing half an hour for commodities, so we can check whether do we have any opportunities over there in commodities. Yeah, this one seems to be a good buy. $77, 276.15. Yeah, natural gas, crude oil, copper, zinc, aluminum. Yeah, Reliance fires on the higher side from 1.5% down to almost 0.5% up now. That will take care of the market. If all is well, he will creep above. Let's see what is our position doing. Yeah, it has come to 31, I guess. What is the 277.2? What's the stop loss? 276.5. Yeah, IndusInd Bank 3% up. Aluminium, copper takes a back seat. He is trying to move down. Natural gas is, as I said earlier, it is in a confused state. The key thing today is for Reliance. Yeah, he is coming down now. I mean to say the Nifty. That's what we have expected, right? Will 15,800 come to CE 80. Why not? Why it should not come to 80? See, we need to wait for our levels to come. Okay, if we are going and chasing, we will end up with loss. Very simple. People may say that it is very easy to say go with the trend, all kind of nonsense, but that is not the ideal way to trade in markets. According to me, we are supposed to wait for the levels and then only trade. Couple of minutes back it was trading at 110, now it is at 93. Why shouldn't it come to 85? Let's wait. See, we have done some analysis and we are waiting for it. ONGC 135 call at 3.35. Satish, ONGC and Reliance both have very bad news. Okay, so it will be like a hero or zero call for you. If it works, then fine. You will end up with jackpot profits. But if it goes for a toss, then you will end up with losses. Let me see, because looking at the charts will not help us. Yesterday only he has given a sell signal. I mean today morning only super trend has given a sell signal. Generally speaking, whenever we get a sell signal through super trend, minimum 4 to 5 days it will be on the same trend or on a consolidation phase. Look at stochastic, MACD, RSI, everything points towards downside. This is a news based fall. In my opinion, news based fall will not last for more than 3 days. But on the other hand, it will not have a sharp recovery also. It may consolidate for a while. So what you have taken is a very risky bet. But probably if today's low is not getting broken tomorrow, then you will end up with a very good returns. um, Reliance hard support for today. Today's low, morning low, 2370 in futures. Reliance already climbed higher. It opened 1.5% on the downside, but it has not sustained below. For the day, if it breaks only the lows, then it can drift downside, or else it will definitely come on the higher side. And who knows? By end of the day, he can even close 2% in green, 1 or 2% in green. That's how market goes. It will move on its own. Nobody can stop it. Let me put a call. Actually speaking, it has moved a bit higher. I took Reliance 2500 call at 58. Yes, fine, Satish. Actually speaking, we are holding Reliance 2600 call at 40 rupees, right? Actually speaking, we should not have taken it because it has already hit our target and then come down. But we never expected that the negative news will come on Friday. Anyways, it has been executed and we are holding it. No worries. Looks like market is not going to give up. It's holding. It's holding nicely. But it's not wise to chase as well. I'm looking for somewhere around 80, 85 in Nifty 50, 800 call to pick. I will not rush to take any positions from myself. I always wait for a long time. Oops, Satish, I'm really sorry. I thought I have replied to your message on Deepak Nitrate, but unfortunately, I missed to reply you on Saturday or Sunday also. I have given a just a vague comment saying that if Nifty is going to gap up, definitely it will also open with profits, but I haven't replied. What's your view on Biocon? Biocon. Good chart setup. He can test 320, provided 303 lows, 303 holds. 320 could be tested. Coming down again. Now let's go and see who's the culprit. HDFC Bank and HDFC. HDFC twins are dragging markets. Couldn't able to believe. Actually speaking, both ended very strong on Friday, right? That's how market is. Let's see. When Reliance supports, we can expect it to sustain. But still, if HDFC twins are dragging, then it will be a seesaw kind of game. Bank Nifty put side, bro. I rarely trade puts. Generally speaking, I usually take calls, but for your reference, I can say you something. This is the Bank Nifty chart, and as per charts, we could drift a bit lower, But we may take support around 33, 450, 500 and then climb back on the higher side. If I am in your situation, I will not short now. Instead, I will wait for 33, 400 to buy it. And I have already accepted that I am a hardcore bull when it comes to market. Tata Power. Once again, good chart setup. 214 is a hurdle to cross. If 214 is crossed, 225 is on the cards. Stop loss should be 200. You are most welcome, bro, Satish. Actually speaking, this is very much interesting. If I get more queries, I will be very much happy to answer. All these days, it was very boring for me. Only two people raise questions. Only four people will be there. Out of the four, one will be me, and the other three will be sitting idle. Out of the three, maybe one or two will be raising questions. Actually speaking, I am looking for many people to join, and I am willing to answer as much as queries as possible for my members. But unfortunately, people are finding it hard to join because of their uh, maybe whatever reason it may be. Probably they could be working in some other areas, or probably they could not join in the morning time. Their time is not feasible. Whatever it may be, people are not joining. That is the only thing. Only limited people join. Yes, like we expected, Nifty, Bank Nifty both are coming down. Mr. Harshal, probably if you have taken a put, you might be benefited in Bank Nifty. As I suggested, I play only most probably out of my 10 calls. If you see, 9 will be on the long side and 1 will be in the put side. So I rarely go with put side. Whatever it may be, when it comes to downside, I will take a call option. I will wait for that time to come. There is no specific reason for that, Harshal. I like going on the long side. That's it. I like going on the downside, long side, and I know where to pick my positions. So, practically speaking, whoever thinks that I can make money on both sides will fail 90% of the times. they will end up paying brokerage to the broker. It is very easy to say that we should be like a chameleon and we need to change our mind as per the market direction immediately. But that is not the right scenario for being successful in markets. Those people will end up paying only in brokerages. See, when something is quoting at 110 rupees, I was saying you to buy when it comes to 80, 85. Now see what is the price. 82 is the price. That's how it is. I know where to pick my calls. So I never bother what is happening across. Good morning, Ajay. Bank Nifty still holds in green. I think that's purely because of Kotak, IndusInd and State Bank. Even Kotak turns red marginally. Actually speaking, ICICI is in green. But that too comes near lowest point of the day. Bajaj Finance, Kotak, ICICI Bank. Anyways, let's see. Now that Nifty as well as Bank Nifty calls has come down near the VWAP, there will be some kind of consolidation for some time and then there could be a takeoff, or it may even consolidate for a while also. The thing is, either one of the HDFC twins must turn. Both should not stay on the downside. That's how it is. Came down 82, now at 90. Not 90, 89. Ajay, Ashok Leyland for a swing trade. Let us see what does Ashok Leyland stock suggest. Ashok Leyland, actually speaking, the stock is at higher end, and as long as the stochastic is not falling below the 80 mark, we can see a further up move. Even for that up move, it needs to take 150. If 150 is taken out, you can go with the stop loss of 142 for 162 targets. 8 points will be your stop loss and 12 points will be your target. That is the swing trade which we can do in Ashok Leyland now. But now it is in a no trade zone. Why? Because there is a crossover happened in stochastic. This crossover should not come down below 80. If it comes down below 80, then the stock will turn negative and it can even reach 130. So it is in a no trade zone as of now. If it comes to our levels, or if it breaks out 150, then you can buy with a stop loss of 142. Is there any discount or premium between these? Yeah, the discount. There is a discount between Nifty futures and spot, approximately 17-18 points discount. Not 17, 18, 30, 13 points, 13 to 15 points discount. When there is a discount, it is called as lack of buying, right? So as per option chain data, 15600 to 650 will become the support as of now, and the resistance is 15750. So we are hovering in between this range. If there is any dip towards 15,650, that's a good buy, actually speaking. I'm going suggesting as per option chain data. Somehow my cough has become a little bit better. Today it's nearly 1 hour and I am still able to manage without any cough. Let me give the stop loss and targets for my members. Sell for Nifty 15800. See is target. Mm, SL given very boring moves on metal, actually speaking. It's not moved even 5 paise. I mean, this zinc one, he has not even moved 5 paise for the long time. I'm seeing 278.10 as the price. I have access 650 call from 1750. What's your view on this counter? I know you are optimistic on financials. Yes, I am very much bullish on financials for this month. When it comes to Axis, I'm expecting 670 to be tested this month. But for immediate um, analysis, we will go for the charts and look at the support zones. This is Axis chart. Actually speaking, here it has given a very good setup. On Friday, it has closed exactly up the 20 moving average. Now it is trading comfortably above the 20 moving average. All we require is one close above 20 moving average today. Then he will easily go and test this VWAP, super trend level of 675. Downside support will be 635 for you. 10 moving average over here, the dark blue line over, value over here. 635 will be your support. I think there will be one more round of small falls where Nifty 15800 call could come near 75 and then come back on the higher side. Where is Infosys right now actually? 1565. Let me give one futures call for my members. Buy Infi around 14, 45. You people might know why I said Nifty might have a one more small downside and then climb back, because 80 is my lower price band. Generally speaking, without giving entry to me to my at levels, she will not move on the higher side. I don't know how many people are aware about it, but that's the truth. Yes. Yes. 78 is the low. Let me see whether any have queries. Alright, thank you for a lot of the waves and activity. I am sensing Havels can blast soon. Havels I haven't checked for a long time. Actually, Voltas and Havels both are set for a bounce back, but not sure when it will happen. Yes, it will bounce back. 20 moving average above is the close on Friday, and today probably if it closes above 20 moving average, definitely it will move and test 1180, which is the super trend zone, 1180. And moreover, in between, the smaller moving average will have a crossover above the higher moving average. That's for Havels, which we spoke. Now I'm seeing Nifty could move on the higher side because it has come down and given us an opportunity at our levels. So generally speaking, he is supposed to move up from here. Let's see. And one more surprising part is Bank Nifty could also rally, I guess. Yes, he is moving like a rocket. This chart setup is good. The 1 2 3 setup. And let me see if 33 700 call, where it is. He is about 300, 285 with 255 as stop loss. This can be taken actually. Let me give a call for my members first. Buy BN 33 700 call around 285 290. Oh, 290. Sell. This is very funny actually. Nifty is moving on the downside, whereas Bank Nifty is moving on the higher side. 290 is the level which I have given. He came to 299.35 and then moving on the higher side. Anyways, as I said earlier, I am not going to rush for taking my positions. I have placed my order and then it will come. Nifty by around 6, 10. Placed my order. Yes. Bajaj Finance is Bajaj Finance had a stellar run on Friday, right? So it's taking a break today. And HDFC also is climbing from lows of the day. So probably we could Bank Nifty once again will save us today, I guess. The fall is getting arrested to an extent. I wouldn't say fully, but to an extent, I'm saying. LTTS. Escorts. Eicher Motors has fell down after good sales. Now it's 2 hours. I mean, two half-an-hour candle has been over. Copper is looking for a trend change, I guess. Natural gas still in confused state. Guys, if you have any questions, you may ask me. We will try to answer the queries. Yes, Nifty creeps up from 78, now 88. Forget about 78, our level is 80 to 85. From 80, it is 88 now. You may book profits as and when you are happy, guys. Don't wait for my alert or something else. Because targets has been already given to premium members. They know when to exit. Like I said earlier, either one should recover. Look at the recovery both in HDFC and HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has recovered 6 points from its lows, and HDFC has recovered nearly 20 points from its lows. VIX about 21.88. If it cools off a bit, then it will be very good. Now, actually speaking, Bank Nifty haven't given us opportunity. We were expecting 290 to come, but it turned from 299. Look at the lows of someone asked me. I think it is Harshal, right? Harshal, have you seen the lows of Nifty Bank? We have been saying that 33,400 to 500 is the place where we can buy. We went till 33,515 and now it has climbed above 150 points. This is the reason I won't chase anything. I will place my orders and keep quiet for some time until it gets executed, like how I did in Nifty. Looking at the charts, it seems Nifty, Bank Nifty could come again, come at least to execute our levels in a flicker and then fly away. If people are who have already placed orders could get benefited. Actually speaking, ICICI, Axis, IndusInd Bank are providing very good support for Nifty, Bank Nifty. And on the other hand, State Bank of India from PSU back. TCS ahead of results. It's looking good, but let me check the charts. hovering exactly near the 20 moving average. It's a dangerous situation. For nearly 7-8 days, it is hovering exactly near the 20 moving average. Either something big on the upside or on the downside will happen. That's a bit difficult task to predict. Ahead of results, that's too early. If something goes wrong, we will be get stuck at the wrong end. Did he came to our levels, Bank Nifty? Oh my God, 293. 290 is our level. Oh, so friends, if you have any questions, please do post, or else we will wind up the session as it is already 10:30. Let me wait for 1 or 2 minutes. If people don't have any questions, we will wind up the session. Yes, we are done. Today's time is over for YouTube Live. We will wind up the session. Let's catch up tomorrow if there is no trouble in my throat as well as in my internet connection. Bye for now. See you all tomorrow, guys.